Now on 16 we need to rationalize the denominator because we have a square root. But notice this is a binomial. It has a minus sign. So when that occurs, we want to make the pattern work where we get, if this is an A minus B group, we need to multiply by A plus B. That's called the conjugate. A minus B times A plus B is the difference of two squares whose product is A squared minus B squared. Now this will work for us to get rid of the radical in the denominator. So I have 5 over 3 minus the square root of 15. So I need to multiply by the A plus B group, 3 plus the square root of 15. And whatever we put in the bottom, we put to the top. We multiply straight across. So since this is a group and I'm multiplying by 5, we distribute the 5 to both terms. So 5 times 3 is 15 plus 5 times the square root of 15. We have to put the 5 in front of that. Now let's do the denominator. Now I like to kind of work this out separate and not put that down here. So what does this product down here equal? Well, it's A squared minus B squared. The A's are the 3's, so we have 3 squared minus, and the B's are the square root of 15, so we have the square root of 15 squared. 3 squared is 9. The square root of 15 squared is just 15. 9 take away 15 is negative 6. So go ahead and just work that out separately, get your final answer, and then put that in the denominator. Now the only other thing left to do is to compare the coefficients that we have. For instance, on top, remember we had the 5, that's our common factor. You know, we could bring that back out if we wanted to, and we would have this, but doing so doesn't allow us to reduce at all. So you can leave the answer like this, you know, or you can factor out the 5 if you want to.